before time began, before space existed. There was nothing. No light, no atoms, no energy. Just a silent void, a place where the laws of physics didn't yet exist. And then, in a fraction of a moment, everything changed. Today, we'll explore one of the most astonishing mysteries in science. How did our universe begin? How did everything, galaxies, stars, planets, and even us, emerge from nothing? Before the beginning. Scientists call this state the singularity. Not a point in space, but the absence of space. Not a moment in time, but the absence of time. This isn't empty space, it's no space at all. And then, around 13.8 billion years ago, the universe suddenly appeared. Not like an explosion in space, but an expansion of space. The Big Bang. The first instant. Around 10 to the negative 36th power seconds after the beginning, the universe was smaller than an atom, but filled with unimaginable energy. Temperatures reached levels that no modern physics can fully describe. This wasn't a fireball, it was pure creation. Energy condensed into the building blocks of matter, quarks, electrons, and the forces that guide the cosmos. Gravity took shape, the strong force, the weak force, electromagnetism. The rules of reality switched on, one by one. Cosmic inflation. And then came one of the strangest events in cosmic history. Inflation. In an instant, the universe expanded faster than the speed of light. Galaxies didn't fly apart. Space itself stretched, dragging everything with it. Something smaller than a proton became larger than a galaxy. This is why the universe today looks smooth, uniform, and endless. Inflation took quantum ripples, tiny fluctuations in energy, and stretched them into the seeds of every galaxy we see today. The first light. For the first 380,000 years, the universe was too hot for atoms to exist. Electrons and protons were flying everywhere, scattering light in all directions. The entire universe glowed, but no light could escape. And then, the temperature dropped enough for the first atoms, mostly hydrogen, to form. Suddenly, light broke free. This ancient glow, the cosmic microwave background, is still traveling across space. It's the oldest photograph of the universe. The Cosmic Dark Ages. After the first light faded, the universe entered a long, silent era. No stars, no planets, just darkness. But inside massive clouds of hydrogen, gravity was slowly working. It was pulling matter together, squeezing it tighter and tighter, until finally... The first stars. Around 100 to 200 million years after the beginning, the universe lit up again. The first stars were nothing like today's. Huge, short-lived, brilliant. They fused hydrogen into heavier elements: carbon, oxygen, silicon, iron. In their final moments, these stars exploded and spread these elements across the cosmos. Everything, planets, oceans, life, was made from the ashes of these ancient giants. The birth of galaxies. Gravity pulled stars together into vast islands of light. Galaxies, spiral galaxies, elliptical galaxies, dwarfs and giants. Among them was one ordinary spiral, 13 billion years in the making, the Milky Way. Here, new stars were born, planetary systems formed, and eventually, one tiny blue planet appeared. From nothing to everything. So what began as a speck smaller than an atom became 2 trillion galaxies, each containing billions of stars, each star with worlds, moons, and possibilities. And now, billions of years later, a thinking species looks back and asks, How did it all begin? Where did we come from? Why is there something instead of nothing? We don't have all the answers, but we do know this. The atoms in your body were forged in stars that lived and died long before Earth existed. You are the universe, made conscious. From nothing to everything. From a silent void to a universe filled with life, light, and mysteries beyond imagination. And this story is still unfolding. New stars are forming right now. New worlds are being born, and our universe continues to expand into the unknown. If you enjoyed this journey through the birth of the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more cosmic mysteries.